Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lenovo Legion Y540 Intel Core i7 generation gaming laptop with 15.6 FHD display. As you can see, this looks like a premium build because the box is very well designed and it's a thick one as well. Looks like a lot of stuff is inside, or very well protected, either of the two. There seems to be a couple of information on the side, but they are covered by a huge sticker over here, but we can make some stuff out. Like this particular laptop has a RAM of 8 GBs, standard actually. It has a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, which also has a dedicated 4 GB RAM for all your graphics requirement. And it also has Windows 10 Home SL pre-installed in this particular laptop. So let's not waste any more time and see what's inside this box. Very well protected, and also comes in this big black bag, black cloth bag actually, and that's what the laptop looks like. Let's put this on one side. We'll come back to this later, and let's find out what else is there in this particular box. There are a couple of documents here. This is the setup guide, an important document. It's like very graphic document actually. Like you should read this at least once to help so that you can figure out how to configure this particular laptop. There's also a safety and warranty guide, another important document, and a restriction of distribution for Windows 10 operating system, which is pretty standard these days. Let's keep them here. Let's see what else we have in this box. We have a charging cable. Obviously, there's a very basic charging cable for your laptop, as you can see. Doesn't look very long, but I'm pretty sure along with the power adapter, this will be of the right size. Let's check the power adapter out. This seems to be the last thing in the box. Here we are. This is the power adapter that comes with the Legion gaming laptop. Let's keep this box to one side first, say over here, and let's take a look at the laptop. It's a beautiful looking laptop, beautiful looking gaming laptop. It obviously has multiple USB ports along with an HDMI and a LAN cable port, pretty standard these days. The Legion logo is very prominent here, and once again I'd like to mention how beautiful this particular laptop looks. Excellent finish. Let's take a look inside. Also pretty good looking here as well. Has a very neat matte black finish, which is absolutely stunning to behold. As mentioned earlier, this particular laptop has a Core i7 generation chipset along with GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. And that is all you will find inside the box containing the Lenovo Legion Y540 Intel Core i7 generation gaming laptop with 15.6 inches FHD display. Thank you for watching.